I've slept outside in cold before, but this time I pushed it to the edge. A hot tent.
The forecast said dangerous cold, but I chose the worst night of the year. It was actually colder than predicted, 27 below. My fingers already stung.
This is the tent that claims to turn winter into a warm cabin, a hot tent. But theories die in real cold.
Setting up in a blizzard is a race. Every exposed second, the cold steals dexterity.
The wind kept grabbing the fabric like it wanted to throw me into the night.
Finally, shelter. But a shell without heat is just a colder trap. The stove is the heart. Without it, this tent is an icebox.
Pushing the pipe through the roof let in a flurry. My beard froze solid in seconds. First match gnats, dead. Second gnats, nothing. My lighter was too cold to spark.
Third try. I cupped it like a dying heartbeat. It lit.
The fire breathed. Warmth began to push back the darkness. After 10 minutes, the tent was still below freezing. My breath fogged the air.
I fed it more. The little steel box started to roar.
35 degrees Fahrenheit. Still not warm, but no longer deadly. Outside, the storm got angrier. The tent began to sag under snow load.
Every few minutes I had to push the walls out. Otherwise, collapse.
Midnight. I realized I had only half the wood I needed.
I started rationing. One small split every 20 minutes. The temperature inside fell back below freezing. My nose went numb. I layered everything I had. 2 gloves, 2 socks. Still, the cold crept in. I fed it my last log. A gamble. If the storm lasted till dawn,
I crawled into my bag. Frost was already growing on the tent ceiling.
every exhale turned to ice on my hood. I was breathing into a frozen mask. The phone said -22 outside. Inside, still below freezing. I was afraid to sleep. Hypothermia comes quietly. I touched my nose. Could I feel it? Yes. Toes? Barely.
I melted snow on the dying stove. Made a hot water bottle for my feet.
That little bottle was the difference between suffering and surviving. I must have drifted off. The storm tried to tear the tent apart. I woke up shivering. The stove was stone cold. The tent was an ice cave. The flame was a whisper. I fed it twigs like a nurse feeding a sick child. 1 degree at a time, the tent came back from the dead. Dawn. Not sunrise, Bod. Just a lighter shade of dark.
Yeah.
Wind dying down, birds? No, just silence. The snow had buried the door up to my waist. I had to dig myself out. Outside, the storm was gone. The cold remained. -25. The tent looked beaten. Frost coated every seam.
but it had held. I checked every digit. All there. No frostbite. This time. Oh, sigh of relief. The first sip of warm water felt like a reward from the gods. Packing up was bittersweet. That tent saved my life. So, did the hot tent save my life? The answer isn't simple. It almost failed. Yes, it kept me from freezing. But only because I made zero mistakes. One wrong move, one less piece of wood, and I would have been in serious danger. A hot tent is not magic. You need ventilation to avoid CO poisoning. Dry wood, a backup plan. This saved me from smoke.
Oh.
The stovepipe kept the smoke out. Without it, I'd be dead from fumes. I forgot one water bottle outside. It exploded. Little mistakes matter. At -25, the forest itself becomes brittle. Like glass. Snap of a twig. Would I do it again? Yes. But I'd bring twice the wood. The cold doesn't care about your plans. It only cares about your mistakes. This tent is not a sponsorship. I bought it. And it worked pants, barely. Carbon monoxide detector stayed silent. Good ventilation saved my brain. But as I packed, new clouds rolled in. The cold wasn't done with me.
The walkout was harder than the night. Deep snow, exhaustion. I stumbled. My legs were rubber, but I kept moving.
Finally car my truck. It had idled all night. Warmth was 10 steps away. I sat there for 5 minutes. Let the heat melt the ice off my soul. The tent looked harmless now, a pile of wet canvas. But I knew what it had done. My beard was still frozen solid. A trophy from the coldest night of my life. The verdict. So sure, did the hot tent save my life? The honest answer? Watch the next scene.
It saved me from freezing, barely, but only because I respected the cold.